Dear students, welcome you to session 49 of chapter Pricing of Material Issues, Cost and Management Accounting, 3rd semester BCom of Mangalore University. In the previous session, session 48, we have seen the format of a stores ledger and also the different methods of pricing the material issues. This session is about the method first in, first out method. Now, this is a method of pricing the issues of material in the order in which they are purchased. That is, the materials are issued in the order in which they arrive in the store. So, the unit in the opening stock of materials are treated as if they are issued first. Then the units from the first purchase are issued next, and so on until the units left in the closing stock of materials are valued at the latest cost of purchases. So this method is also known as the original cost method. So in case of this method, the main assumption is that materials which are received first are the first to be issued. So this method is usually used when the inventories turn over rapidly or when the inventory items change frequently or in case of perishable items. Now, in the stores ledger, we have different columns, the columns for receipts, issues and the balance. So for after every transactions, we will have to find out the balance. Now, how do we record the receipts and issues in case of first in, first out method? In the receipts column, we will be recording the purchases. So how do you record the price? Purchase price plus any direct expenses on purchases. For example, carriage or any items expenses incurred on purchasing will be included and that will be recorded here. And return from production department. Whenever goods are returned from any of the production or manufacturing departments, the rate at which it was originally issued will be found out and that will be recorded. If there is excess as per stock verification, it is valued at the current or the latest purchase price. Now, in case of issues, issue column, so issue to production, how we are going to record it? It is the price as per the method, that is the first in, first out method. Return to supplier or vendor, the rate at which the materials were brought. It will be recorded at the rate at which the materials were brought. Shortage of materials as per stock verification. The price of, as per material issue pricing method, first in, first out method. So among the items of stock, the materials which arrived first, that will be considered for shortage. Now, let us look into the merits of the method of first in, first out. This method of is simple to understand and easy to operate. Here, the closing stock reflects the current market price, and the material cost, it represents the actual cost. And this method is suitable for perishable products. And it's actually a logical method because it takes into account the normal procedure of using the items which have been received first. In case of falling prices, this method is useful because the material cost charged to production will be high while the replacement cost of materials will be low. Now, the demerits of FIFO method, that is, in case of rising prices, the charge to production will be low as compared to the replacement cost of materials. It leads to the inflation of the profits. If the prices of materials fluctuate frequently, this method may lead to some clerical error. In order to price one requisition, we will have to take more than one price. So whenever the prices are increasing, the issue price does not reflect the current market price. Why? Because we are issuing the oldest items, that is materials are issued from the earliest consignments. Thank you.